Hello everyone, how to towards back with another app review video, and in this video I'm going to introduce a app. It's called PixelCut AI photo editor. So this is a remove background, magic eraser, photo enhancer, story templates and collage maker. So it's all about the other photo editor, but you can see that AI also help you to adjust your work or growing your work. So you can see the rating of the app 4.2 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really amazing. And you can see 86k reviews. It means 86,000 people write something about this app. And you can see 20 megabyte size of the app, and 5 million people already use this application. So you can see there are something like cutout. You can cut out your background instant. You just simply click and slide or remove background, and magic eraser, you can erase the people. You can see it's look like that. And template, so you can also get thousands of template here. And AI generates scene, so AI adjust you if you upload or if you erase, remove the background, and if you see that how it look like, so his background will be fitted for your image, then you can check all the things. So enhance, you can see like before and see after. If your picture blurry and low resolution, and AI fix it through enhance. And easy and powerful editing, so you can see it's really amazing, looking good. And white background, you can also use white background, and you can use color through the color circle, and hundreds of background or backdrops. So it's really easy. I'll create more video in upcoming tutorial to how to use this application. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.